Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. Put the camera on myself. All right, y'all. Welcome back to welcome to this Facebook Live, I should say. Okay, just finished coming off a YouTube Live. This eventually gonna be on YouTube as well. Okay, I'm on St. Anthony Avenue. Okay, walking down and stuff like that. Touring the neighborhood because ain't no buses that come around here, you know. Okay, so here we go. There's some people in this area that need the bus, especially this apartment building right here, the Gentili. Okay, so yeah, there's some people that also need the bus around here, you know. All right, so so anyway, y'all. That so I just want to say there's some people in this area that needs the bus. They even have some people that stay down here that need the bus. If somebody stay by that dead end or whatever, if that is a dead end, people have to pass up this street and walk way down there. You know, I don't understand, y'all. But that ain't right, ladies and gentlemen. You know, so I'm not on my show trying to diss the articulate people that made these routes. But all I'm saying is it's okay to change the routes and stuff like that. But taking the bus away from this area wasn't right, you know? It really wasn't right, ladies and gentlemen. All I'm saying, y'all, I wish y'all could have kept the buses coming around here though, you know? All right, so I'm almost to the Fillmore Park apartments. You know, I hope I don't get disconnected while I'm walking down. You know, okay. So I'm on a bike route. You know, so I must say, y'all. I mean, that ain't right for them to take the buses away. You know, so and there's one guy that drive the bus saying ain't no buses should be around here because there ain't nobody back here that need the bus, you know. Yes, they do, you know. There's a few people on these streets that need the bus, you know, especially in those apartments up there where we're about to pass by, you know, the Fillmore Park apartments, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Instagram Live so as I pay a visit to somebody, you know. Okay, so this is a nice neighborhood for people to live in, you know. And not only that though, for people to catch the bus, you know. Cause you know, wherever I live at, I need a bus, you know. Cause y'all know I love buses, you know. And I say it's a crying shame for the buses not to come around here, you know. Okay, it's especially if people, and you know, I heard people is complaining. You know, people is definitely complaining about the buses ain't coming around here. They gotta walk so far and stuff like that. You know. Okay. Yeah. So somebody asked me where is this in New Orleans? Yeah, this is in New Orleans. Yeah, it's where I live. Okay. So I'm on St. Anthony. Okay, just in case somebody on Facebook that's tuning in, if it's previously recorded and uploaded to YouTube or whatever, then you know where I'm at. All right. So here's a bus stop right here that's closed, and a bus stop right there that's closed. They even have people in that area and people in this area that needs the bus. You know, I'm like, why? Here on St. Anthony, okay. This is St. Anthony and what other street sign? I'll figure it out though as I walk down. You know, the next street up there that the intersection is the next intersection is Fillmore. Okay, so as I tour this area and stuff like that, you know, as I tour this area and stuff like that, you know. Got I'm just doing this because people that live in these areas need the bus, you know. So I haven't been seeing nobody around here that because people is complaining, That's all I'm saying. People is complaining. And RTA people, if you're watching this video, please, I'm begging y'all, please bring the buses back around here. I'm gonna write it in my paragraph when I get home, though, because I have a few more paragraphs to do before the next meeting. Okay? Before the next meeting, I'm gonna, all right, y'all. Okay? Whew. So, all right, so all I'm saying, y'all, and I'm also petitioning to bring the buses back in the Bywater area, So I know it's a short route. Well, I don't know, because some idiot said that they don't need no buses around here because nobody don't catch the bus around here, which is some bull crap, Yeah, that's bullshit, All right. So I'm petitioning around here to bring the buses back around this area, Okay, because ladies and gentlemen, the buses was coming around here a long time ago, for years before I was even born, And here's the Fillmore Park Apartments, everybody. I used to stay back here a long time ago, y'all, but back in the days, the apartments didn't look like this, Here's a bus stop right here, y'all, that's also closed. And here's another bus stop that's already closed. Okay? So, honestly, y'all, ain't never had no buses down the street, and I'm not going to ask for them to start, Never had buses down Fillmore before. They have buses down here because the buses was doing detours, because it was fixing the bridges, over the bayous and stuff, All right, so now I'm on Fillmore and St. Anthony. Okay, St. Anthony and Fillmore, I should say. Okay, yeah, here's the area I used to live in. Okay, so I mean, I liked it around here at first, but I was missing the ghetto, As I got older, I got tired of the ghetto, Yep. So there's no ghetto around here, Okay, look here. Ain't it nice around here, y'all? Uh-huh. Sure, it's nice around here, So all I'm saying, y'all, that's why I'm doing this live stream and stuff like that, to petition to bring the buses back around here, y'all. Okay. That's all I'm doing. But I hope them RTA people can reconsider. Nor I should say, That's all I'm saying, y'all. We gotta do a petition, though, Okay. Yeah. All right. That's all I'm doing, y'all. Doing a petition to bring the buses back in this area, I wonder why that gate is open enough for some strangers. Well, maybe because they got a trash truck that come back here, whatever. Cause that's why they got all this fenced off to keep outsiders from coming around, Okay. Yeah, I'm talking about that gate right there, This never was a ghetto neighborhood, y'all. Oh, this was never ever a ghetto neighborhood, This was a safe place to be, something like that. No ghetto stuff or whatever, Okay. I remember I walked on this bike route a long time ago when I was living around here. Okay. Well, I'm about to cross the street and stuff like that, So all that temporary sign still up there, Okay. That temporary sign is still up there. So I about to go show y'all that sign, y'all. No bus in sight down there. Ain't that a damn shame, y'all? Okay. All right. No trespassing. Thank God for that. At least I used to wait right here on the school bus. Okay. And this the code I used to live in, and that tree is still right there. You know. They never got rid of that tree. I'm surprised that that tree's still up there. Ever since they demolished these buildings and rebuilt it. Okay. So let's go walk to this bus stop. How you doing? All right. So let's go walk to this bus stop right here. Okay. Right here. Formerly St. Bernard St. Anthony. Okay. It's a stop closed. Go to Elysia Fields Avenue at Selma, 55 route. This is ridiculous, y'all. There's some people back here that need the bus, y'all. But y'all, but like I said, y'all gotta care for y'all for y'all passengers, okay? That's all I'm saying, y'all. Okay. All right. So soon as I finish visiting a friend, I'm gonna go to Instagram Live, okay? I might go back to YouTube or whatever, and then come back here to Facebook and stuff like that, you know. So I'm just saying, y'all. I just wish y'all coulda, you know. I just wish y'all coulda kept the buses around here, you know. So that's all I'm telling y'all. How you doing, sir? All right. So as I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, I wish RTA could have kept these buses around here, you know. Okay. So that's all I'm saying, y'all. Okay. All right. So, but if I ever do move out of this community and stuff like that, I won't have nothing to do with this. Okay. I got something to do with this because I live in this community, you know. I want somewhat back to where it used to be, you know. That's all I'm saying. Okay. That's all the heck I'm saying, you know. All right. They even have people that go to church here that need the bus. Okay. This is Beacon Light, okay? All right, let's go walk to this bus stop right here. Where it say the bus stop is closed. Okay. All right, which is a damn shame, you know. Okay. So as I walk up here and stuff like that, showing y'all what needs to be done around here, you know. So just the back of Beacon Light. Just the back of Beacon Light right here. Well, this is the side of Beacon Light. A long time ago, back in the day, this used to be a supermarket. And when I moved in this area, this building was abandoned. Okay. They started renovating this building and turning it into a church in 1997. Okay. So I guess they finished with this church in 19. I haven't been in there before. All right, so I'm about to bring y'all to another bus stop that's closed. Okay. All right. All right. So here's a bus stop right here that's also closed. Okay. Stop closing. Here we go. Right here on the corner of St. Anthony and Marabou. Okay. This is it, y'all. And that building used to be a hardware store. All right, so all I'm saying, y'all, RTA people, please bring the buses back in this area, okay? For these people's sake, okay? Not just for me, for anybody that need the bus around here, okay? So that's all I got to say, all right? Thank y'all for watching, okay? RTA people, if you're watching this, please bring the bus back around here, okay? Thank you. All right. Bye.